Imagine having an AI assistant that can transform your ideas into functional code seamlessly. Introducing Phind, the ultimate AI tool for developers. Let's dive right in. Start by entering your question. Just type your query and hit enter. In seconds, Phind generates the code you need, complete with detailed explanations to help you implement it effortlessly. You can directly copy this code into your project, saving you time and effort. But that's just the beginning. Need further clarification? Phind has you covered. Stay tuned to see how Phind handles everything. Phind suggests similar questions that you can refer to for better clarity, ensuring you always have the best understanding of your problem and solution. Phind also directs you to relevant sources where you can learn more about your topic, giving you the confidence to dive deeper and always have the best solutions at your fingertips. Now, let's explore another powerful feature of Phind, the playground. In the playground, you can experiment with different queries and see immediate results. Type your question, and Phind will provide an answer right away. It's interactive, intuitive, and incredibly efficient. Not satisfied with the result? Simply click Regenerate to get a new answer. Phind adapts to your needs, ensuring you always find the best solution. It's like having a coding expert at your side, ready to help at any moment. Transform your coding experience with Phind. From idea to product, Phind makes every step effortless. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.